Since 2009, the Bianca Foundation has been helping students at LA area schools like Palisades High School manage stress and their mental health. Now, with the devastating wildfires, their students need them more than ever.
When the fires happened, the first thing we wanted to make sure that they're safe. We wanted to make sure they're safe, they're home, or they have a place to stay. Then we reached out to all of our professionals, and we wanted to make sure they're on standby. They offer free advice, let them talk, let them cry if they want to, because I know traumatic events like this cause a lot of stress. So not only we were there for the Pali students, for other schools that we have our classes, we gave them full support, all via Zoom.
We also had a parenting seminar that how they can cope with all this stress and emotion that the kids has. Even their parents at their home was around Pacific Palisades. They are devastated. They need help. So we are here for both of them.
It's been a lot for me, seeing all my friends' homes burning. My school, when I saw on the news that my school burned, I was like, wow.
I actually saw the part of the Palisades High School that we would go and gather the kids on fire. That was very traumatic for me even. So I know these kids were scared, were afraid, were stressed, and all of these are big, huge feelings that need to be touched upon.
I'm in 11th grade, and this is such a difficult time and such a difficult year, especially to do on Zoom. I feel like the Bianca Foundation has given us a way to just deal with our stress, give us multiple exercises and ways to just calm down and keep at peace with the situation.
When we saw school go up in flames quickly, with the help of students, we started a GoFundMe page to help rebuild Pali High School.
We are hoping that doesn't take COVID 2 years of no school. We are hoping immediately they get back to school.
Honestly, we've heard for now that we will be on Zoom for a couple of weeks. And we have heard that we are looking for temporary campuses in the next 4 to 6 weeks to, get back into person.
We are fundraising for this school. We are going to fundraise for the families that need it, but mostly for how to rebuild Pali High School.